In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your accounts efficiently. The reconciliation process is essential for maintaining accurate financial records and ensuring everything adds up correctly. Let's walk through the steps so you can feel confident handling this task on your own. First, you begin by navigating to the accounting section in your software. This is where all the magic happens in managing your financial records. You'll find an option labeled Reconcile, which is your starting point. Reconciliation can initially seem complex, but breaking it down step by step makes it manageable. This part of the software is designed to streamline the process so you can catch discrepancies and fix them before they become bigger issues. Once you're in the Reconcile section, the next step is to select the account you wish to reconcile. This might be a business checking account, a savings account, or even a credit card. It's important to select the correct account to ensure everything lines up accurately. Look for a drop-down menu or a list of accounts. Take your time to verify that you're working on the right one. It's a small detail, but crucial for accuracy. With your account selected, you'll need to enter the statement balance and the date. This information should come directly from your bank statement. The balance acts as a reference point, indicating the amount your bank says is in the account at the end of the statement period. Double check these entries for accuracy, as any mistake can lead to a lot of confusion down the line. Setting the correct date helps the software verify transactions within the right time frame, so precision here is key. Now comes the part where you match transactions. This is the crux of reconciliation, ensuring that the transactions recorded in your books match those on the bank statement. The software will display a list of transactions that you can compare directly with your statement. Systematically go through each one, ticking off those that correspond with your statement. Sometimes discrepancies can occur due to timing differences or errors. If a transaction doesn't match, make a note to investigate further. It's normal to find a few inconsistencies initially, and resolving these helps fine-tune your records. Once you've matched all the transactions, you can proceed to finish the reconciliation process. This stage finalizes the work you've done. Completing this step is like giving your financial records a stamp of approval, indicating they align with your bank's version. If there are unresolved discrepancies, it may require some additional research before you can confidently conclude. And there you have it, a clear, concise way to reconcile your accounts. Regular reconciliation is a proactive habit that helps you maintain financial integrity and catches any errors before they escalate. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this guided run-through leaves you feeling prepared and ready to tackle reconciliations on your own. Stay organized, and until next time.